Hi, this is the instructional guide for Primary 4, Term 2, Week 7. For this week, there are two booklets. We're going to do fractions, understanding mixed numbers. Okay, so let's see. So for the first booklet, it is to understand mixed numbers. I think you can use this first page to teach the idea of what 2 wholes 1/2 means, right? In the form of a, not sure whether it's a cookie or pizza, I think cookie, but whether it's cookie or pizza, right? The idea is if it is 2 whole and 1/2, right? That means you have 2 whole pizzas and half a pizza. That's what 2 wholes and 1/2 means. It can be expressed in a number line as well, right? So take students through that. So this is 0, and then this is 1 whole. Okay, 1 whole is over here, right? And then you got 2 wholes. Okay, and they got 3 wholes. And take note that every 1 whole, right? 1 whole there is broken up to 4 parts. That's how the fraction is formed as well, right? So this is 1 whole. This is, sorry, not yet 1 whole. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4 out of 4 makes 1 whole. And after that will be 1 whole, 1 1/4, 1 whole, 2/4, and so on, right? So to orientate students, get them to understand the idea of what 1 whole means. And fraction, right? And how they together form a mixed numbers. Get them to do the guided practice. I think this is fairly easy with the illustrations. With the number lines, some may find it a bit harder, okay, but still can be done, right? I think so easy. At the moment, it's still easy because it doesn't require conversion. And then for the independent practice, just get them to the first 2 questions, because here they're supposed to express the following mixed numbers in words. So the way of writing it is 1 whole, 2/3, right? 3 wholes, 4/5. Okay. All right. Then let's move on quickly to page 9. Okay. So here what they're supposed to do is they have to split up the whole numbers and the fraction, and then write the mixed number together, right? So here you got 3 wholes, three whole figure, 1 whole, 2 wholes, 3 whole, right? 3 whole figure. Then count the number of parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 6 out of 10. Add together, you get 3 whole, 6 out of 10. And then don't forget to simplify, right? You get 3 whole, 3 out of 5. Get them to do J, right? Same thing, right? So they recognize what is 1 whole. The idea is to know how many parts there are here. And then fraction will be number of shaded parts out of the total parts in 1 whole. Okay, so in this case, 2 whole, 3 out of 12, and then you can simplify it. Okay, and then this one a bit different. They are supposed to shade, right, the figure based on the mixed numbers given. So 1 whole means you shade 1 whole figure, then 1 out of 4. Okay, this one as well, 3 wholes, 2 out of 3. Okay, get them to try F, because here you need to circle 3 whole 1/2, right? So they need to know that 1/2 is the same as 2 out of 4. Okay, G as well. Let's see. And here they are supposed to simplify, right? Just get them to do 1. I think they should understand the concept. Let's see. Get them to do page 21, 8A and B, where they are supposed to mark the fraction. So here some students may get a bit more confused, but the idea is, look at this. This is 0 all the way to 1 whole, and it's made up of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 parts, right? So what would this be, right? This is 1 part, 1 out of 12 parts in the whole. Okay, so need to do some conversion, right? For here, it is actually 4 out of 8. Right, this is actually 1 whole, 4 out of 8 if you count it by parts, and then they got to simplify it, okay, which is 1 whole, 1/2. Okay, and then 9A, right? How to do this question? Again, look at 1 whole. How many parts are there? 1 part, 2 parts, 3 parts, 4 parts, 5 parts. So this is 1 whole, 1 part, 2 parts, 3 parts, 4 parts. 1 whole, 4 out of 5 parts. All right, same with C, and that's it, right, for booklet 1. Let's move on to booklet 2. Okay, for booklet 2, they are doing improper fractions. What is improper fraction? Where improper fraction is when the numerator is equal or greater than the denominator. All right, so 3 out of 3 is an improper fraction. And so you often, when you get improper fraction, you need to convert, right, into whole numbers or into mixed numbers, whole and mixed, right? But that's what improper fraction means, right? So 3 out of 3, 4 out of 3, 5 out of 3, okay, they are improper fractions. So as long as it is greater, or rather it is greater than 1, okay, sorry, equal to 1 or greater than 1, they're considered improper fractions. Okay, the same can be done here on number lines, right? The number lines here present all improper fractions. Okay, and then they can convert. 8 out of 4 is the same as 2 out of as 2 wholes actually, right? 11 out of 4 is the same as 2 whole 3/4. Get them to guided practice. Okay. And over here they need to, let's see, yeah, improper whole number and mixed numbers. Okay, so they got to write the fraction out. For this whole number is 3 whole 1 out of 6. If it is improper fraction, how do you do it? The figure here would show you that you can actually count and there are 19 parts, right? But how do you get 19 parts, right? 3 wholes times 6 parts, right? We do 3 whole times 6 parts. You can actually teach them this here. 3 whole, right, times 6 will give you 18. 18 plus 1 will give you 19. 19 out of 6. Okay. So yeah, finish guided practice and then do the circle questions in class. Okay, all these are still relatively easy, right? And then 9 out of 4, they're supposed to circle shade the parts, right? Still easy. Okay, 24 basically just count 24 parts, right? These are all called 24 out of 7. Each whole is 7 parts. So 24 parts out of 24 out of 7 parts, right? Okay, let me see what else. So here is the conversion, right? So you can again remind them, right? What can you do? Whole times number of parts. 1 times 3 equals 3, 3 plus 2 equals 5. Okay. And let's see, how do you write this out? Okay, 3 wholes and 7 elevens. So 3 times 11 equals to 33. 33 plus 7 equals 40. So this is called 40 elevens with the TH. Okay, and I think that's about it, right? So if there's time, give them some practices, more practices, do the corrections, and that's it for this week's lesson.